shining, shining like a diamond. I see people watching.
Hello Team Bella and welcome to the channel. It's me, Miranda, and I'm here with a plan with me in my vertical happy planner. I am participating in a planner challenge this month, and it's called September Focus 2021. And the first week, which is August 30th through September 5th, the challenge is Say Cheese. Now, because I probably misunderstood this whole entire challenge, and it may have been focused on yourself. But when it said Say Cheese, I was like, you know what? We have two family members coming into town next week, COVID tested, social distance and mask, and we are going to break bread. So I was like, let me break out my Happy Hostess sticker book, both the mini and the classic, and let me use these because these sticker books, and I also used the food sticker book, the original one. I think it's mustard in front with like 1,500 or so pieces. And I was like, let me break that out because I'm thinking cheese and wine. So that's what I'm going to do. So that is how I interpreted the challenge, but I may be wrong. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come here and I'm going to put a lot of the, I'm going to put a bunch of stickers here in this middle portion. I probably shouldn't white it out, but I'm going to, because they're all clear stickers just about, and I just don't want anything to show through. I did forget to show you my fat, because I'm all about the fat, completed filled in spread, PHAT fat spread from last week. So let me show you guys how that looks while we're waiting for that to dry. So this was my fat spread from last week. This is my spread all filled out. Of course, I'm using my stickers and I absolutely love it. Tell me, what is your favorite part about a completed spread? Because mine is when the spread is totally full with writing and stickers. All right. So that's looking good. Let's come over here and kind of do the same thing. Now I wanted to leave the edges, the outside stickers there. So I'm going to be doing that. I hope you guys had a great week. My week, I received some shocking news at work this past week, and I have to say that it did kind of set my tone. Like, I was very moody on Monday when I received the news. So yeah, about that. All right. Boom. Okay, perfect. We'll let that dry. So of course I've already pulled my stickers and they're all on this wax paper. So I'm gonna just grab my tweezers and we're gonna get started. So I'm gonna try to get this middle together right. Okay. Y'all, this is so crooked. I'm so embarrassed. All right, let's see. How is it gonna tear up? Yeah, about like that. That's what I thought it was gonna do. So I want that one coming that direction. And then we have these blueberries. Oh, y'all, I'm so excited about this spread. Because if you look at it, it kind of looks like a big old charcuterie board. So it's got lots of cheese in the spread, I can tell you that. So let's go here. And I think this bread will look nice right here. Okay. Then this charcuterie board says dinner plans, has a little rose on it. Let us get our wine together here, shall we? Red wine. And then I thought it would be cute to come in with this Bon Appetit. Bon Appetit. Okay. And I want to, you know, bring a little color, so some strawberries are fun. All right. Okay, we got some pickles right here. Oops, some more cheese, blue cheese. And then I'm gonna put another thing of white wine. I think I want to put, yeah, that's fine there. Let's see. Okay. Oh yes, and then this is like, I don't know if this is some jam or, oh, it's olives, but they look purple. And I don't really know why they look purple, but I'm here for it. It's supposed to be black olives. And then let's go up here and hit this too. Okay. So we got that one. And then we have this one. Yeah. Okay. Yep. So tell me what you guys think about that. I'm thinking it looks cute. So next on the other side, we are going to put this cute little piece of pepperoni down. So I like that, but I'm going to maybe have it hanging off a little bit. All right. And then of course, say cheese. We have more cheese. Okay. Oops. Let's get this cheese right here. And then I'm gonna do this white wine here. I think it will look cute. I like this one, and I wanted it to be more on Saturday. So it says food, friends, and flowers. Okay. Definitely want to put some more green sparks in there. And then I have this large charcuterie board to kind of go there. And then let's see, I want to take this one and these blueberries, if they're blueberries, and put them over here. Okay, and here will come with this, more olives, more strawberries, and I feel like I need to put more stuff on there. So let's slice this little bitty piece of olive off. Okay. Perfect. And it's really not perfect because it has a bubble in it. So let's try to, all right, work that out. Okay, so we can put a couple more things in there, and that's exactly what I want to do. So I'm grabbing my mini sticker book, as those things should be just a tad bit smaller. I feel like I have so much different, okay, let's get some more olives, green olives up here in this corner. Yep. I don't know, should I give it a little bit more blueberry? Or we don't really have a lot of cheese on this side. So we're gonna put a little cheese on there. And here's a cheese I didn't eat. Well, I did. I used the bigger version. Let's get us this sliced cheese right here. A little triangle of cheese. Put that on there. Yes. It doesn't look so bald and bland now. And we got those, we got those, we have those. I guess we can put these little blueberries or whatever they are in there. And I think that is cute. So let me go here and just chop off this part right here. Okay, Let's grab that off. And let's grab this off. All right, perfect. Y'all, that looks so cute. I absolutely love it. All right, so because we're having people over, I'm taking my grocery shopping list and I'm putting it here. And then I wanted to follow this up with a quote. And it says, laughter is brightest when food is best. And that's an Irish proverb. So we're going to put that right there. Perfect. And then I thought it would be cute to use these little charcuterie boards. And this one is actually a list. I think I want to put this up here. At first I was going to put it on the bottom, but I am going to change it. I am going to put it right there. And I'm going to switch this around and put my checklist here on the bottom. Okay. Oh, wow. I don't like it. Let's put it up here. Okay. Now, we have, for Wednesday, another checklist here on the bottom. Guys, I love checklists. All right, and then I wanted to also use this a layered situation, put it here kind of on Wednesday. So I'm going to pull it over a little bit into Tuesday just because I don't want the box to, it's crooked. I'll pull it up in just a second. All right, so let's take these flags and lay these flags here. With our color scheme, loving it. All right, and then this charcuterie board, because I want to make our spread even, we want to come down here, this little list, and lay this down there. Okay, I want to, let's see, going to place these flags here. Okay. I just think it's absolutely cute. And then because we want to stay true to our theme, we'll come here on Friday and we will place another flag there. We'll come over here on Sunday and have another layered situation, like right here, kind of over Sunday and Saturday. And this says confirm. Okay. And then I thought it would be cute to be able to use this weekend banner. I was going to put it above there, but I'm just going to layer it over Saturday and Sunday because it has most of all the colors that we are using. Now, it's simple, but not really simple. It's really busy in the middle. I still will be able to go in and create yet another fat after the pen spread. So this is my week, and I will put the Instagram channel. I don't remember who it is offhand. Can't remember her name, but I will put it down in the comment section if you want to participate. And if you do, hey, let me know. Tag me over on Instagram. I'm there at Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan as well. Well, if you enjoyed this video, I look forward to you giving me that thumbs up. Also, don't forget to comment below. Let me know what is your favorite appetizer or dish that you serve to guests. And last but not least, if you've not had the opportunity to subscribe to the channel, I would absolutely love to have you here. All you simply have to do is hit the subscribe button below. Don't forget about the notification bell. Guess what, guys? This brings us to the end of our plan with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, Bella.